Hi, welcome to this week's episode of the Changelog. I'm John, and today I'm joined with Jacob from the Solana Foundation DevRel team. First up on the agenda, we have an upcoming community-led hackathon, the only possible on Solana Hackathon, running from August 1st to the 21st.
Yeah, this hackathon's really good for anybody that wants to build something within the Solana community. And I love the theme, only possible in Solana. There's a lot of things that Solana enables. For example, just take the easy and simple example of consumer level applications. So this is the place to showcase your product, build something cool, and get it in front of a lot of new people that have never seen anything on Solana before. So if you ever been thinking of or on the edge of should I build on Solana, this is the perfect place to start.
Next, what do we have for proposals this week, Jacob?
Sure. So this week's proposal is, I believe it is about Sysvars for figuring out the active stake on the cluster. So this proposal is still being discussed. It's not an accepted proposal yet. What this proposal outlines is a Sysvar that allows you to on-chain query the percentage stake per vote account on the cluster. So you can think of different applications for this. You can think of like doing things with staking with this, understanding doing more things with the validators and their vote accounts on chain within programs. So this will enable a lot more things on chain, specifically with different validators and what their percentage of stake on the network is. So it's a cool proposal. If you want to join into the conversation or the discussion, just go to the SIMD under the Solana Improvement Documents repository and join the discussion, add your comments. Let's see where we can get with this. And then, John, I think there was a cool commit this past week. It was something to do with Anchor. Could you talk about that a little bit more?
Yeah, the commit highlight of the week has to do with updates to how Anchor generates its IDL. This new update will enable inclusion of external types to the IDL, add support for generics, and overall is a basis for including more info in the IDL to remove some boilerplate from the client side when working with Anchor programs. So overall, this will help simplify the process of interacting with Anchor programs and help with composability.
Okay, this is kind of like generating the IDL outside of the program build, right? It's like you don't have to run Anchor build to generate the IDL anymore, which would also build the program itself. It can generate based off of, I believe, like the macros. Is that correct?
Yep, that sounds about right.
Cool. And then our resource of the week is Switchboard released this past week, Switchboard Functions. So Switchboard Functions is kind of like a way that you can take any amount of code and be able to execute it off chain, and then using their Oracle solution, be able to verify and put that information on chain. So it's really cool since it's like any code. Definitely go check it out and see what you can build with it. I have yet to see people build with things with it because it just came out. There's probably a lot of different things you can do with games. I know the game jam is this week. So if you want to try using Switchboard oracles or the functions within the game jam, definitely try it out. And that is everything that we have this week on the Changelog. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next week. Bye.